Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I mix castor oil and olive oil for thicker, longer hair. Castor oil has been used for hair and skin for centuries. Many people have attested to using castor oil to help grow their hair while making it thicker and longer. And I can attest to that as well. This is the one that I've used. It's cold pressed, hexane, and chemical free. Olive oil is known to deeply moisturize dry hair, soften hair, and adds a nice sheen. It is also an excellent remedy for the prevention of frizzy hair. Measure 1 tablespoon castor oil and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Since castor oil is thick, it is best to dilute it with another lighter carrier oil such as olive oil. This will allow it to spread easier and absorb better when applied to the scalp and hair. This is optional, but you can drop a few drops of lavender essential oil to enhance the scent. It is recommended that you keep this mixture of olive oil and castor oil in a dark glass bottle. Dark bottles protect the oils from ultraviolet light, which can break down antioxidants and fatty acids. You may mix a larger amount and keep it in a larger glass bottle, or just put this portion that we just made today into a smaller bottle. For maximum absorption, use a steam cap to help lock in moisture and to help the oils penetrate each strand of hair. As with everything, consistency is the key to success. So use this castor oil and olive oil mixture at least 2 to 3 times a week. Apply it to your scalp and massage it in thoroughly. Then use your fingertips to distribute the oils to your hair and ends. That was it for today. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post my next videos. See you on my next video. Have a blessed day.